So then, which is best? Is it natural light or is it flashlight? Which one do you prefer? Okay. Welcome back to K-Phil, my photography and video channel. My name is Ims. Today, I want us to explore the nuance between natural light and flash light in photography. I'm not necessarily teaching you anything today. I have a video where I talk about how it feels to do photographs with natural light. And I also have another video on my channel about how it feels and the benefits of using flashlight in your photographs. So this video, I just want to show you a few results and the difference in those results when it comes to using natural light and flash photography. And I was able to obtain these images. I recently did a photo shoot where I used both natural light and I used flashlight on the same photo shoot, and the results are slightly different, but my goal here is watch this video and decide for yourself which setup, which situation best fits your style of photography and one that you want to continue with. Yes. Perfect. Good. So, if I have to give my 2 cents about shooting with natural light, is that well known by most and all photographers that natural light has this ethereal look to the images that it produces because of that soft, warm, diffused, dreamy like look to those images that a flashlight cannot produce. That is why it's preferred by some photographers. It's able to produce images that are just visually appealing, very dreamy looking images because of that soft and warmth that comes through that natural light.
Look at them!
This is like
Yes, like that. In 3, 2. There you go. Close up. Keep that pose. And if there's something I can say about using flash photography, is the ability to control the light, to place the light where you want to place the light in a position where you want to highlight whatever part of your subject you feel is important to tell the story that you want. That is, I think, one strong suit with using flash light in your photographs. You are able to shoot at odd times of the day, even after sundown, because you are using artificial light. You do not necessarily need the sun to do these photographs. So then, which is best? Is it natural light or is it flashlight? Which one do you prefer? In my honest opinion, someone that wants to do photography and you want to elevate your photography to new heights and also just attract more clients to run a proper photography service business, don't limit yourself to one source of light when it comes to photography. Learn, practice, know how to use natural light, and use natural light when you need to in your photograph. But I will tell you from experience, you will find yourself in situations where you have to take photographs of a client in a light that is not ideal, in a light setup, in a light situation that is not ideal. This is where your skills to use flashlight comes into play, because you will then be able to use this artificial light, this flashlight, to still create images that are visually appealing and images that your client will be happy to have. If you agree with what I'm sharing in this video, please like this video. And if you have any questions on anything in regards to what you've seen in this video, or anything at all you have any questions about regarding doing photography with either natural light or photography, please write me an email or even a comment. I look at all the comments on my videos and I respond to all my viewers. Thank you. Please don't forget to like the video. It's a pleasure for me to do such videos for you, and if you really enjoyed the content, please like the video. It helps with the algorithm to push this video to more viewers, and the video gets more views, and it's going to help the channel grow. Yes, again, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, I'm out.